some of the primitive families of angiosperm, that is in angiospermic phylogenetic group, ana group, Amborulaceae. So this is the plant of Amborilla. Only one genus and one species. This is the native New Caledonia. The Amborulaceae family represents vacilless evergreen shrubs with unisexual flowers having an undifferentiated spiral perianth, numerous laminar stamens, apocarpus, apically open gynoecium with one ovule carpels. This is the peculiar feature of this family. The Amborulaceae comprises the single species Amborilla trichopoda. Amborilla is a dioecious tropical shrub. It is not the tree, it is the shrub. The leaves may be alternate or spiral to diasticus, undivided axis-stipulate, evergreen, and simple type of leaves. Diasticus leaves, as found in the grasses, the leaves are in two rows, and these are called as two-ranked diasticus or half, 1 upon 2, phyllotaxy. So that the third leaf is above the first leaf. So next slide, this is the diagram. You will see first above which is the third leaf and above which will be the fifth leaf. So there is a gap of two. First, third, fifth, seventh, and two, four, six. So odd and uneven type of arrangement of leaves in diastema. The flowers are unisexual, actinomorphic, and hypogynous to perigynous. The perianth consists of 5 to 8 spiral, distinct to basally connate perianth parts. So, flower has perianth leaves, not differentiated into sepals and petals. Stamens of the male flower have many laminar stamens. Anthers are longitudinal in dehiscence, and floral formula of male flower is perianth 5 to 8 and androecium many, free androeciums, and stamens are somewhat laminar. The female flower consists of the gynoecium, which is apocarpus, having 5 to 6 superior and ovoid pistils. Pistils are apically open. Placentation is marginal, and the ovule is solitary in each pistil. The floral formula of female flower is perianth 5 to 8, gynoecium 5 to 6, apocarpus, and superior ovary. The fruit is drupectum. This is the fruit of this amborella. Vessels and ethereal oil cells are lacking. Amborella trichopoda, the single species of Amborelaceae, is the native only to New Caledonia. This was a question of December 2014 NET examination. Which of the following characteristics make Amborella the most basal living angiosperm? Carpel fused with tissue connection and the absence of vessel elements. Absence of the carpel and presence of vessel elements. Carpels free and presence of vessel elements. Presence of carpel and absence of vessel elements. So answer is the fourth one because in first alternate carpels are not fused. These are free. This is the another question of this family in NET examination. Following is the cladogram of the major taxonomic group of angiosperm. First, uh, Osteobelials, nymphiales, amboriliales, chloranthiales. Second, amboriliales, osteobelials, nymphiales, magnoliales, chloranthiales. Third, amboriliales, nymphiales, osteobelials, chloranthiales, and magnoliales. And fourth is the amboriliales, nymphiales. So this is the ABCD here, this one. So A should be Anita group. Means osteobelials, nymphiales, amboriliales, chloranthiales, and magnoliales. Second is not possible. Third is fourth is Amborellus, nymphiales, chloranthiales, magnolites, and ostrobelids. No. So magnolites in third one. So it is the ostrobelids. No, it is the third one. Amborellus, nymphiales, ostrobelids, chloranthiales, and magnolites. So answer should be the third one because monocot E should not be she should be the magnolids. Okay. So in last magnolids we have in two alternate. First is the Austrobeliales, Nymphaeals, Amborilials. So Amborilials is the first one. So Austrobeliales should not be the first alternate. Should not be the A. It is the Amborilials. So we can focus this question from 2 points. First is A is the Amborilials and E is the uh, Magnolids. So it is the third one. Amborilials A and E is the Magnolids. In fourth alternate, we will see E is the Austrobeliales. That is not possible. So this is the Anard group or Anita group. Anita, there are five groups of the basal angiosperms: Amborella, Nymphaeals, Ilicials, Trimeniaceae, and Austrobeliales. This is the Anita, were identified in several recent studies as representing a series of the earliest diverging lineage of angiosperm phylogeny. So this is the cladogram. So this question was based on this one: Amborellales, Nymphaeals, Austrobeliales, Chloranthales, and Magnolids. Anagrade. The name anagrade is used to collectively refer to the three basally diverging group of angiosperms: Amborellales, Nymphaeals, and Austrobeliales. Anagrade, basally diverging groups. The name anagrade is used collectively to refer the three basally diverging groups of angiosperms: Amborellales,